Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be dyeing my hair like a copper brownish color. I'm going to use the Adore Cajun Spice and I'll link it in the description below so you can have like a direct link to the site. And it's like a orangey brownish copper color and it's really pretty. So I've already done this a few times, that's why it's like color on the outside of the bottle. It was $4.49 at my local beauty supply store. You might be able to get it for like even cheaper, maybe even $3 somewhere, but that's how much I got it for. So I've had my hair blonde for like I want to say like 2 years, like on and off, and I've let it grow out and then I like kind of redid it. So I'm just gonna put it on my ends. So I'm not gonna, like the instructions say to put like grease or something around your head to protect it, but I'm just gonna put it on the ends and of my hair where the color is. I might get a little on the black, but just mostly the ends. So my hair is like freshly washed, just a little damp. It's like really choppy in different levels because I've been like slowly transitioning. It's hard for me to just like cut off all my hair. I don't want it all to be like the same length as my bangs. So getting started now that I washed it and everything. So I'm going to mix it with my conditioner. So this time, instead of just using like regular conditioner, I washed my hair with, where did I put it? 1 second. I washed my hair with the green tea, Keratin and green tea shampoo. And I don't know, like once every other week or once a week, sometimes I like to use this Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. Now I leave it on more than 2 minutes, like it's supposed to be 2 minutes, and I think like at most you can put it on for like 5, but I gotta do what I want. Like I don't know, it's never hurt my hair. So I'm gonna mix the color with this, put it on my hair, rinse it out, and then I'm probably gonna do like a little moisture mask on there for maybe like 10 minutes, you know, just to be safe. So I have my little bowl and my little plastic spoon, and I'm just gonna show you how much I put it in there. Like I've seen on YouTube, like a lot of different girls like put, well, first I'm gonna put like how much conditioner I'm gonna use, because I'm putting this all over my head. So since I'm mixing it with the color, I guess, yeah, so I guess technically I am putting the color all over. So I think that's probably like how much conditioner I'll use, because I don't have like a lot of hair. It's like really fine. And I see a lot of girls using like half the bottle, and I don't know, I just don't think I need that much. And I've done this before millions of times. Like the last time I did it, I did Cajun Spice, Copper Brown, and Paprika, and it was so bright and pretty. I'm gonna insert a video so you can see it. It was really pretty, but I had to change that because my job, they don't like for me to live. They want me to look boring and basic. All right, so this is how much I poured in there. I don't know if you can tell. It's really not that much. I'm gonna mix it up and then probably pour a little more. So as I'm mixing it, ooh, I always love it how it looks like as you're mixing it, the colors, the swirls. It's starting to get like orangey. I'm probably gonna put some more in here. Cause I want it to look, there we go. That should be enough. So I pretty much poured, I squeezed out like how much conditioner I would use on my hair, and then I used that amount to figure out how much I would put with the Cajun Spice. So this is the color that I got. It is, I don't know if it looks a little different in the light, but to me it looks like a burnt orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. And I'm just gonna section my hair off in 4 sections, and I'll be right back. And now that I have my 4 sections, I'm going to just like kind of glob it on and then just rub it through. Like it says to comb it through, but I never comb it through because like I always make sure my hair is combed out before I apply it. So there's really, I don't think a comb would do anything that I don't think it can do anything that my fingers aren't doing. And like now that I'm looking at it, like it looks like a kind of like a bright orange on my hair. So I'm thinking I probably, like, if you can see the difference, but I'm thinking maybe I should mix a little more in, because if it's this light right now, that means you know how your hair is always darker when it's wet, so that means it's probably gonna be super light, but not as, I don't know, this might be fine. I can always redo it. That's what I love about like the semi-permanents, is that you can kind of use it as often as you like. Like I feel like you can kind of color your hair like, I don't know, like once a week with this, as long as you like keep it like deep conditioned and everything, because it washes out after like a few washes. But if your hair is like a lighter color like mine, like how my ends are, it won't wash. Like I feel like when the lighter your hair is, the longer it stays. So this will probably stay in my hair longer than a few washes. So I think that's good for this section. And I'm just gonna do this and like smooth it out, make sure it's on every strand to every section, and then I'll be right back. I'm probably just gonna like fast forward. All right, so I'm all done. I have it on all the sections. I got it like kind of on my natural color too, but you know, that was gonna happen anyway. So this is how much I have left. I don't know if you remember exactly how much was in there before, but it's really not much in here. Like it's just like 2 of these little plastic spoons left. So I measured a good amount, and I'm going to put the plastic bag on my head. I'm going to sit under my dryer for, what is this? For 15 minutes. I'm only going to do 10. But the reason I'm going to do this is because I have like really low porosity hair, and I think that it just takes better when I apply heat on it. I think it'll absorb better. So I will be back in 10 minutes. So I set it in the dryer for 15 minutes or 10. I rinse it out, and I don't know, just to be on the safe side, I was gonna add like a mask. So I used the Lovely Bees Oh Honey Moisture Mask. So I don't know if you're familiar with her YouTube channel, but I think it's Lovely Brianna, and she has like the cutest try-ons. Like I love them. But anyway, her hair, I got it because, you know, most importantly, I want to support Black businesses. So that was that. And also her hair is like mine as far as like it's fine. So I'm like, maybe, you know, it'll work good for me. So this mask, like it smells really good. I love the way it smells. I haven't used it in so long. Like it was just enough left for me to like put this in there, and it's like a drop left in here. But it smells really good, and like it feels good on the hair too. So like the way it was like smoothing it out, like it like slips, it glides right through. So if you want to try this, you should. I'll put this in the description below too. But another thing that's so weird, but I think it's a good thing, like when I was putting it on, like I feel like it like thickened up. Like I don't know if you can tell, but like if you look at it how it looks now, like right here, it looks like, hold on, let me show you the difference. So this is how it is in the jar. Like it's like that. See how it's like kind of smooth, and then like after like you're raking it through, it kind of thickens up. So I mean, if you like thick conditioners or whatever, I think that's pretty cool. So this is like in the jar, and this is like once it's like on my hair after I waked it in. Yep. But anyway, so I'm going to rinse this off because I don't really feel like being under the dryer. So I'm going to rinse this off probably in like 10-15 minutes. So I'll be back to show you it. I'll show you it wet with nothing in it so you can see how it looks, and then I'll be back a final time so you can see the color when it's dry and I've styled it and everything. So yeah. All right, so this is my hair wet or just a little damp. I rinsed out the hair mask until the water ran clear. I had the water on as cold as I can take it because that's just what's best when you want to keep your color in as long as possible and keep it nice and vibrant. Ooh, only me. That really didn't even hurt. It looked like it hurt. My goodness. So this is the big reveal. This is my final results. This is how the color came out when my hair is dry. I did a braid out, and I think it turned out really cute. So this is as the day went on, I went to work, so it's like a lot bigger and frizzier because it was raining and snowing, and I was working against the elements, and it was hard out here. But frizz always makes my hair a lot fuller than it actually is, so that's always a plus. But it still turned out pretty good. And something I'm noticing right now is that like most of my color is in the front. It's like not much in the back. It's crazy. And it's crazy because I've actually cut so much of the front. Like the front is so choppy, but that's where you can see most of my color still. Yeah, well, anyway, the next time I color my hair, I'll definitely make a video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Give me any feedback if you want to give me any feedback. And you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.